Alright, we're working on a Fluidmaster toilet that is filling really slowly or not. The valve is not working properly. So this is going to show you how to fix this. So picked up a fill valve seal right here. This, if you look on right here, it will tell you the model. So this one was a 400, so this fits the 400 series. So we're going to open this up. This is a 242 seal. We're going to take this part, and this is going to be the assembly process. And you are going to go ahead and put this in. So you'll see the little nipple at top. And then you're going to push that into the metal piece and seat that around here, just like so. Then we're going to come over here. So you start by putting it just like that until it drops in, and then you're going to rotate it counterclockwise. I put it in the wrong way. Just like there. Alright, so you start right here, push it down, and you'll feel it lock. And then you're going to click this piece right here. That's going to click in with this part right here. Click that back together. And then you're going to take this little red cap right here. That's going to pop back on. Just like so. And when you turn it on, we'll flush the toilet, check it. Now you can tell it's filling nice and quickly in the bowl, and it is not spraying out of the top right here like it would normally do. If the seal was torn just like this, and this normally tears right here, and this little part tears apart, so that no longer does its job. Now when you test it,